Good morning, Durban. It's 7 a.m. on Monday, the 9th of September. Wind Guru shows fresh southwesterly winds today, big sea swells, temperatures maximum 15 degrees, and mostly cloud cover today, and some chance of light rain throughout the day. Tides for fishing shows light rain, 100% cloud cover, 29 kilometers per hour southwesterly winds, and a temperature of 15 degrees. Atmospheric pressure is 1028 and rising. Sea temperature is 21 degrees. And the high tide was at 6:22, next low tide at 12:25. You can see the difference between high and low is becoming less and less as we reach neap tides. Moon age is 5.2 days, and the next first quarter moon will be in 2 days' time, and that's when we experience neap tides. And next we'll have the sunrise view. There you can see it's an overcast day. There's a nearly 99% low level cloud cover and 100% mid-level cloud cover. There are some waves to be ridden by those who can brave the cold weather. And that's the Sharks Board boat servicing the nets, making their way back from the morning rounds. Guys, remember, if you're looking for a midweek break, give Sean a call at Umzimkhulu Marina. He can sort you out with accommodation, boat hire, fishing equipment, whatever you need for an amazing estuary holiday. And check out the underwater footage he's got of grunter and stumpies and blacktails all living vibrantly in that estuary system. This week, guys, we've got the Okuma Precision grinder rods on promotion from 12 foot to 14 foot, all with built-in bionic finger. Check it out at Township Hyper, and as always, stay tuned to the sardine.co.za.